guys, in today's really short video I just wanted to share with you some of the benefits of drinking raspberry leaf tea. I've also made a full video on this which I will link down below. Raspberry leaf tea contains calcium, magnesium and potassium. These minerals help to promote healthy digestion and strong bones. It also contains antioxidants. So this is how the tea looks. You can make it stronger than this or obviously more dilute depending on how much water you add or how much of the raspberry leaves you add. OMG, please excuse the mess on the floor. I've got my little safari mug. I love it so much. Raspberry leaf tea can also help to improve fat metabolism and encourage weight loss as it's really detoxifying, and it can help to basically boost the body's immune system as it helps to release toxins. It's really simple and easy to create. You just bring the water to boil like so, and I'm using the dried leaves that I purchased from eBay, organic certified raspberry leaf tea. And I just wanted to share with you my fruits. I love my fruits, you guys. Mango and banana is like my #1 fruit. It's really good for easing painful menstruation cramps. You can make it as strong or diluted as you wish. It's quite a bitter taste, but it's not bad, as like me and my kids, we get to drink it. So yeah, if kids can drink it, then I'm assuming adults can too with ease. It's also really good for your skin as well, as it contains antioxidants that can help to soothe skin inflammations. It has high levels of vitamin E and C, so I hope this has inspired you to try some raspberry leaf tea. And it's not just for women, men can drink it too, as I give my little boys it sometimes. Always ensure to do your own research, and also there's a caution, like when you're at the early pregnancy or during pregnancy, I think you can only have the maximum amount is 1 cup a day, because like it can also stimulate your labor. A lot of people use it to induce labor, so I would really be careful. Like I don't even recommend taking this during pregnancy, because there's so many, like your body, like the hormones change and everything, but that's just like my personal opinion. Always do your own research. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.